begging, begging, I'll get you begging, 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 begging for me to leave her. Begging, begging, I'll get you.
Check this out. Make a rectangle. Center it. Alright, now we grab the mesh tool and then you kind of just place it around with your direct selection tool selected. You select the dot, eyedropper, and then voila. You add a color specifically to that part of the mesh. And I'm just quickly gonna add all these colors here so you can see. With your direct selection tool, you select the point and you kind of now just move everything around the way that seems best for you. Play, guys. It's fun. Why not? Now you're gonna make a circle. Center it, and now let's make it a little bigger. All right, make a gradient, edit the gradient, and then look at this. You can just drag in the direction that you want the gradient to go. This is just to add a little bit of extra flair to make this poster have a little more elements in it to have fun with. All right, now here, just edit the colors the way that you want with whatever gradient you're working with, or if you want to use a different gradient, use that. But yeah, as you can see, I'm just having fun. Again, have fun, people, have fun. I'm just quickly going to show you how to make some pretty cool, quick zigzags without having to do any work. So line segment tool, make your line. Boom. Make sure that you have the outline selected. Okay, now you go to Effect, Distort, and Zigzag. So if you mess with this slider, you get the height of the wave. And then if you mess with this slider, you get the frequency of said wave. And here is the final product, guys. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed the video. And as usual, like and subscribe. Peace.
Begging, begging, I'll get you begging, 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 begging for me to leave her. Begging, begging, I'll get you begging, begging.